In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enter expenses in QuickBooks Online, even if you don't have a bank account connected. This is perfect for small business owners or freelancers who manually track their spending. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Expenses. This is where all your expense tracking happens. Next, click New Expense or Plus New and select Expense from the dropdown. This opens a form where you can manually add details about each expense. Start by entering the payee, the person or company you paid. Then choose the payment account, which could be cash, a credit card, or another account you're tracking manually. Now enter the payment date and the payment method. QuickBooks lets you specify cash, check, or other payment types. Then move to the category field. This is important because it tells QuickBooks what type of expense it is, like office supplies, utilities, or travel. Accurately categorizing your expenses helps with reports and tax preparation. Enter the amount and add a description if needed. You can also attach receipts directly to the expense for better record keeping. Once everything is filled out, click Save and Close, or Save and New if you want to add more expenses. Even without a bank connection, QuickBooks Online will track all your manually entered expenses and include them in your reports. You can generate profit and loss statements, expense summaries, and more, just like connected accounts. And that's how you enter expenses without a connected bank in QuickBooks Online. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.